Hey, today we're looking at IAQ Pro's Total Mask Cleaner and Sanitizer, which is a high-foaming, low-alkalinity detergent sanitizer used for routinely cleaning your mask to sanitary levels. It's super easy to use, a 20-minute process. Let's see it in action. Safeties first. You'll want to make sure you'll wear protective nitrile or latex gloves and a P2 mask during this process. Make sure to read and follow the label directions. Have 3 large containers ready, 2 filled with clean water and the other filled with Total Mask Cleaner and Sanitizer, mixed with water, to a ratio of 1 part Total Mask to 50 parts water, or, in this case, 300 ml to 15 liters of water. You'll probably only want to have as much as you need to submerge your mask to reduce chance of unneeded skin contact. First off, you want to remove the filter part of your respirator before starting. Take your respirator and soak it in the first bucket of clean water for around 2 minutes. This should help loosen and remove dirt and grime. After the 2-minute soak, you'll want to take it out and immediately soak it in Total Mask Cleaner and Sanitizer solution diluted as previously mentioned. Soak the respirator for around 15 minutes. This is where the sanitizing action happens. After the 15 minutes, take it out and rinse the mask for a further 2 minutes in the last container of clean water. Your respirator should be sanitized now, just give it a bit of a wipe, and air dry your mask. Let's pop it on the clothes rack for now until it dries out. Specifically formulated to serve as a safe and effective cleaning agent, this product can be applied to a broad range of PPE in areas such as emergency services such as firefighting, restoration mold cleaning, fire damage restoration, sewage cleanup, infectious cleaning, and trauma and crime scene cleaning. Agile Equipment sells IAQ Pro Total Mask Cleaner and Sanitizer in 5-litre bottles amongst a wide range of chemicals from disinfectants to carpet cleaning to deodorizers and more. We also have a range of respirators from 3M and CleanSpace, so check us out at agileequipment.com.au.